and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new Stitch Fix, and if you don't know how Stitch Fix works, it is a subscription style service. You fill out a profile, and the first time you get styled, you'll get paired with a stylist. You'll get at least 5 items to choose from when they style you. Once you choose and pick your items, then you will get charged a $20 styling fee. But if you've never done Stitch Fix before, feel free to use the link in my comments. Right now, Stitch Fix is offering $35 off your first fix and the style fee, that $20 styling fee, to be waived. So I think that's a pretty good deal. And they're also offering me money to shop as well. So win-win. Now, I want to get right to this fix. And I'm going to put my reading glasses on. I have the same stylist from earlier. Her name is Michelle. She says, "Welcome back for another fix. I'm so glad to be working with you. Your vibe is really coming through, and I'm super excited to help build on that aesthetic. I noticed," my dog is playing in the background in case you hear anything. "I noticed you're not afraid of color and love a casual, easy fit that's versatile. I thought you'd love these Market Spruce belted shorts. They're so fun paired with the Alex Mill knit. Try the Kut From The Kloth wide leg brand new and the beige Michael Stars knit top for an elevated staple. I chose these pieces because they were inspired from your favorites. Thanks so much for taking the time to love what you like in freestyle. It helps to hone in on your style. Let me know what you think, and remember to keep asking to work with me to get the most out of every fix." So it's exciting. It's a pretty good fix. I picked a lot of the items, but I'm going to give you one thing. This top that I'm wearing is not by Stitch Fix, and I'm probably going to use this in the try-on. I have to look at the tag. I'll let you know when I come back what brand. I think this is Sanctuary, but I really love this top, and I got it last year from Ever Eve. They gave me a tank. I'm going to show you, and I'm not trying this on. Only because, it's a little too clingy. I'm not loving how clingy. I like the pattern. I don't know if you could tell if the camera's doing it justice. It's like a beige color, but it's like crinkly. But the other issue is the neck is still too high. I have to make sure I note when I take away the tags that I don't really like a high neckline. I like a lower neckline if possible, or at least buttons that I can kind of open it. I don't like that feeling like it's like choking me in the neck. So that's an issue, and I'm not going to use this for the try-on, but I just wanted to show it to you. This is the top she mentioned, also by Michael Stars. So this is the Michael Stars. This is a Kira textured knit top, color beige, size small, $68. I have a lot of tank tops. I love Michael Stars, but I just don't think it's worth the price. And again, like I said, I don't like the neckline. So I don't even want to bother trying this on because it would just annoy me with the neckline. So that said, I do have one of the items on from this fix. I'm going to get right into it so you can see what I'm wearing. So I'm back with the first pair of shorts. So I'm going to pull up so you can see as I back away. And like I said, I'm wearing this top. And again, I forgot the tag. I'm going to check it for the next because I'm going to wear this with the pants that they sent to me in a moment. But these are by Market Spruce. They're the Faye mid-rise belted short in blue, size 4, $69. I think these are cute, but fair warning, I already own something in this color, and it's by Vineyard Vines. Little different material. Mine is more like that moisture wicking, but for the color, I don't think I need this, even though it's adorable. I do love, it has like the pork chop pockets. Again, it's belted, the front, the back. They're very cute. But again, like I said, I do kind of own something in a similar color, and I don't even know if I like Like I feel like it just draws too much attention to like my midsection, so I'm not loving the belted aspect. Just me, I don't know. But I want to switch and show you the next item in this fix. So hang on. Okay, hi, I'm back, and I switched into the Kut From The Kloth jeans. So I'm gonna back up, and this is how I'd probably wear it. I'm thinking like the red, white, and blue aspect for the 4th of July and all of that, but I don't know if I need jeans for the 4th of July. I'm really hoping it'll be warmer than that. But again, just to show you, I know my last box was very colorful and patriotic, and I feel like we're back in the same kind of color scheme this time out. But on the bottom, and I'll pull away and I'll let you see the whole look, this is by Kut From The Kloth. This is the Meg wide leg jean, color red, size 4, $99. These are really, okay, so when she said earlier, like, oh, you're so colorful, I love seeing, you know, that you like to pick color. I did pick these. My dog's blankets are on the floor. She annihilates her blankets. But I don't know. I mean, they're cute, but I don't know how much I'd pull for them. But I do like them. It's different. And just so you know, so I think I use this jean jacket a lot for try-ons, but this is my go-to. I have so many jean jackets, but this is the one that I always gravitate towards. This is also from Kut From The Kloth. I got this a million Trendsends ago, years ago, when I think I first did Trendsend, and I absolutely love this jacket. The belt is by Anthropologie. I bought it last year during the month. This is my birthday month, June. So you get the 20% off coupon for Anthropologie. I remember buying this belt last year. Absolutely love this belt. It is, I think, very summery. I remember the woman that does the dressing room, and she does like light styling there, was like, you need this belt for summer. And yes, I agree. I love this belt. Again, I own a ton of shoes, but I always seem to keep coming back to my buckle Birkenstocks. Something about them that they're comfortable, especially after I broke my foot. And I like the way they look with a lot of things. So it is what it is. But what I'm trying to say to you is I'm going to look back at the footage. These are cute, but we are now finally hitting 80, 90 degrees, and I'm not so sure I want jeans right now. I've been wearing, if I wear pants, I wear like more linen-y, gauze, like lighter weight. These I think might be a little too warm for me right now, but I don't know. I'll take a look, I'll see. But I wanted you to see how I'd style and wear them if I did grab them and keep them. So anyways, I have one more outfit, and I'm kind of excited about this outfit. Also kind of patriotic, but I'm gonna come back and I'll show you that, and then we'll do a quick recap and we'll go from there. So hang on. Okay, I'm back, and I know I didn't tell you the name of the top I was wearing earlier, but I had gotten this also, I don't know if you can see the tag. I had gotten this by Trendsend last year around this time, summer, and it's L&A. So I do like this. It's very comfortable, and I like the neckline, like I said. So that's what I was wearing for the try-on. But this is the last outfit, and this item right here, specific, this top, was what excited me. And again, I don't know why I'm going with the red and the blue, but I am gravitating towards it right now because of, I guess, the time of the year. But this is by Alex Mill. This is the Taylor vest, color red, size small. This is the most expensive item, and this is what's kind of holding me back. I really like it, but it's $150. And I've looked elsewhere. Bloomingdale's carries it. not sure Nordstrom, but couple, and even Alex Mill, and it's the same price everywhere online. So there's no like discount that I can find. But just so you know, that's on top. The bottom, and this is getting cut off, but the bottoms are by Daze Denim. These are the Easy Rider mid-rise cuff. I think it's just short. You'll see the card in the front as well before this, and I'll also have the descriptions in in the comment section. I'll have the descriptions of all of these items, but these are color white, size 4, $78. So let me back up so you can see the whole outfit. I really like this, but I'm gonna tell you, I own white shorts. Again, Vineyard Vines. I do shop in Vineyard Vine outlets, and I was able to find quite a few different items. I have navy, I have white, I have like that other color that I showed you earlier. I have a teal almost. So I do have colored shorts, and I don't think I need these, but these are really cute, and I like the way I've got them styled. So, you know, again with the Anthropologie belt, again with my buckle shoes, my Birkenstocks. Yes, I opened the buttons on this top. It could be buttoned all the way. I kind of like it open. I might even consider wearing like a little cami underneath. I didn't right now, and I didn't think it was terrible not wearing a cami. I mean, I don't think you can see anything under the arm, so I think it's okay. I front tucked it, but this is the length of it, the full length. Doesn't actually need to be front tucked, but I did do it for the try on, and I think it looks pretty decent. These shorts, like they said, they're cuffed, but you can't uncuff them. Working pockets in the front, working pockets in the back. And yeah, I mean, I don't know. I am really liking everything mostly that was in this fix, but I don't know. We're going to go through the whole wrap up, and I'll give you all the discounted price and all of that, but we'll do that in a moment. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, I'm back. I thought I was taping. I'm talking away, and all of a sudden my camera turned off, and I didn't have the camera rolling. So here we go. You've seen everything. I am still in the last outfit I had on in the last try on. How Stitch Fix works, there's 5 items in this specific fix. Sometimes I get more, sometimes I get 5. There's always at least 5. If you buy all 5, you have to buy at least 5. So in this fix, I'd have to buy everything in the box to get the discount. So before the discount, it is $464 for the stylist picks. The buy all 5 plus discount is 25% off, $116. The new order subtotal, if I were to buy everything, is $348. I don't think I'm buying everything. Like I said to you, that Michael Stars tank top. So if I go in my box, this item that I actually didn't try on, I'm not buying. So it's not going to be a buy all. So first of all, that's not going to happen. Second of all, I really did not love the way these shorts fit, and I don't need them, so those are going to go back. I'm pretty positive about that. I'm going to look back at the Kut From The Kloth jeans. I really do like Kut From The Kloth. I just don't know if I'd pull for these red pants. I don't mind color on top, but my bottoms, I did tell you I owned some colored shorts, but very muted. And the only reason I own the teal is because when we go like on cruises, they're kind of like a cruise color. But normally my everyday wear is more like I'll stick with denim, I'll stick with maybe white and maybe navy on my bottoms, or even black. I'm very neutral on my bottoms. So as much as I like these, I don't know. Again, let me know if I'm missing the mark on these and you like them on me, and I'll also look back at the try on. But like I said, I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm on the fence. So yeah, I mean, I like them, don't get me wrong, but again, would I pull enough for them for the $99 and not getting that file discount? Probably not. The shorts, well, I like them. I own white shorts. I don't think I need another pair. I'm going to look back to see how these fit me because they do fit kind of nice, but I'm kind of more thinking no than yes on them. That leaves me with this Alex Mill top, and really like it, but I don't know if I can justify the price tag. I don't have any discounts right now, so it would be $150 for me right now on this vest. They're calling it a vest, but I call it a top. Either way, I don't know if I can justify that price tag with no discounts. I'm gonna think about it. Overall, not a bad fix. Really liked the overall styles that she picked. She got me somewhat and somewhat not, but I think overall she did pretty good. And like I said, a lot of these items, a couple of them I did pick. I know I picked this. I think I picked the white shorts, and maybe I picked the white shorts. I know I picked the red pants. Believe it or not, when I said I don't really wear bright on the bottom, I did pick them to see how they'd look and if it'd be something I would actually take me out of my comfort zone and go with. But anyways, you've seen everything. I'm going to try to get this up in the next couple of days, probably either before or around my birthday. And that was another reason why I did a fix so quickly. I'm like, oh, it is my birthday. So, you know, if I see something I like, which is another reason why I'm like, maybe I would grab this because it is my birthday. I don't know. But I am probably going to go shopping this weekend. So it kind of, my choice here is going to be, am I going to find something else I like when I go shopping? So we'll see. But anyways, I just want to thank my returning subscribers now that you've seen everything, and I think we're pretty much done here with this try on and the wrap up and everything. So again, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support and friendship. It really does mean the world to me. If you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button below and join the fun. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say, have a magical day and bye for now.